I hope that, like, again, in 10 minutes of just a few chat bar and a bit of seeing what Thinker is doing, you're getting a bit of inspiration around just some of how you can use AI in your roles and in your teams and in your organizations. For us, we know that AI is amazing, but we also know that it can't do everything, and it also can't do everything well just yet. Um, so we're really, really clear and we're paying a lot of attention to, when, where, why, and how to use AI. And I guess that helps us form this final concept that we call human and AI. Because AI is just a tool, it's not a full-time employee. Well, not yet. It's not a robot that's taking over the world yet. So for us, it's making sure that we have principles in place that protect us, our team, and our clients. Tell me into the chat bar, do you at your organization, do you have some sort of policy? Do you have some sort of set of principles or standard operating procedure when it comes to AI? And you might say yes, you might say we're in development, yeah, working on it, Holly, you beat me to it. If you came today looking for a bit of inspiration around um, policies, guidelines, procedures, a really great starting point is the 8 ethical principles of using AI. And this is outlined by Australian government's Department of, I've got to read that, Industry, Science and Resources. At the bottom right there, you'll see the source. You can actually click on that link, now or after the call. And it's going to take you directly to the government department website with that link there. So that might be a really great starting point. But I might just talk to some of what they covered there in a high level, just so we can start sparking maybe or reaffirming some of where you're going already. So they have covered everything from considering transparency and explainability. So, that our teams, our leaders, and our clients understand when they are being engaged by an AI system. Okay, so we're being really clear about that. So it's number 6 there on the list. Accountability, ensuring that we don't just palm off accountability to AI systems now. Oh, it's just AI's fault. That's not how this is going to work well. We still need to hold ourselves and each other to account for what we create, what we deliver, and how we work. So thinking about how we're going to keep and maintain accountability throughout integrating this technology. Reliability and safety, just like on a production line, we have systems in place, to make sure that, let's say 99%, 98% of whatever is created is in line with that quality assurance and that safety. So we need to do the same with AI, and we need to have systems in place to make sure what we're doing is reliable, it's accurate, it's appropriate as well.